What's up, YouTube? Today we are going to learn how to play Bittersweet by Gunna. This song just came out this past weekend, and this is a preview of how it's going to sound like. So for this song, you're going to want to capo on the 4th fret. The chords that you're going to want to know is A minor 7, E minor 7, F major 7, and a D minor. And for this particular song, we're playing a different variation of a D minor, so that way it fits with the song in terms of the sound. I'm pretty sure in the song they're playing it differently than how I'm playing it here, but I wanted to make it easy for you guys, so that way we're just playing all open chords. The D minor chord doesn't sound exactly like how it does in the song, but it still works. And so I thought I would share it with you guys. So this is how you play the chords. Okay, so reminder, capo is on the 4th fret, and everything that I explained is relative to the capo. So the first chord is an A minor 7. We're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string. It's gonna sound like this. Second chord is an E minor 7. We're just putting our fingers on the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's gonna sound like this. Third chord is an F major 7. So we're gonna put our fingers on the 1st fret of the B, 2nd fret of the G, 3rd fret of the D string. It's gonna sound like this. Okay, so the final chord is a D minor, and we're gonna play a different variation of it. So we're gonna put our fingers on the 2nd fret of the G string and the 3rd fret of the D and the B string, and we're gonna just pluck the 4 middle strings, and it's gonna sound like this. Okay, so for the plucking pattern, I'm utilizing the 4 middle strings for the A minor 7, E minor 7, and D minor. And I'm utilizing the 4 bottom strings for the F major 7 chord. And so this is what I mean. So first chord is the A minor 7. We're gonna pluck the 4 middle strings. Then we're gonna pluck the B and the G string right after. And then for the E minor 7, we're doing the exact same thing. 4 middle strings, B, G. And then for the F major 7, we're gonna pluck the 4 bottom strings. Then we're gonna pluck the high E string and the B string right after. And then we're gonna go back to the A minor 7, then E minor 7. And this is where we hit the D minor. So for the D minor, we're gonna pluck the 4 middle strings. And then I'm gonna pluck the G and the D string right after. So all together again, A minor 7, E minor 7, F major 7. We're hitting this twice. Then A minor 7, E minor 7, D minor twice. Okay? And it's like that throughout the entire song. And I also do want to point out that there are 2 parts in the song, one towards the beginning of the song and one at the very end of the song, where the chord progression changes a little bit. The chord progression just goes from a D minor to E minor 7 back to D minor. And if you play the song back to yourself, you'll hear what I'm talking about. But what it sounds like is just this. So D minor, E minor 7, D minor. Okay? So play back the song, you'll see what I'm talking about. But other than that, that is how you play Bittersweet by Gunna. All right, guys, so I appreciate you guys watching and tapping into this tutorial. Hopefully it helped you out and added value to you. If it did, please go ahead and comment down below, like this video, and share it with somebody that wants to learn this song. And also, if you made it to the end of this video, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you want more videos and tutorials like this. And while you're here, go ahead and check out some of my other tutorials. I'm gonna have them pop up on the screen here on your top right, top left, and bottom left. And I will see you guys on the next video.